guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mimansha, an Indian MBBS student currently studying in Nepal. And since a lot of you are going to give the MECEE BL examination, which is for foreign subcategory 1 for MBBS in Nepal, so today, instead of giving you the theory myself, I have brought today a very special guest, Sharmila Panthi, my friend, who will guide you today with the entire examination process, the syllabus and how to ace it. So let's move on to the video and begin with it.
Hello everyone, myself Sharmila Panthi, rank 88, MECE BL examination 2025, currently studying in first year MBBS in Kathmandu University, School of Medical Sciences, Dhulikhel. Today I will be guiding you about the MECE BL examination, whose date has already been announced, which is going to be held on 1st November 2025, and it is especially for the foreign subcategory 1. So let's go ahead with the video. So at first, the marks distribution, it will be of the 200 marks, among which physics will be of 50 marks, chemistry will be of 50 marks, botany will be of 40 marks, and zoology will be of 40 marks. And in addition to all these subjects, we do have math, which is abbreviated as mental agility test, which will be of 40 marks, and the detail about this marks distribution will be provided in the description box, so please do check out. So for qualifying this examination, there is a 50 percentile system, which means you have to bring 50% of the marks brought by the first rank holder, and there is also the negative marking. For each question there will be the negative marking of 0.25 marks, and for Indian students minimum marks is 60, and the most repeated questions are always asked, that is past year questions are very important. You need to practice the past year questions, and for practicing the questions you need to see every year's past year questions, and you have to practice the mock test examination questions from different institutes in Nepal, and basically the questions are from the syllabus only. You don't need to see the other extra books, and there is no any fixed book for MEC level examination in Nepal. So there is no more time now for examination. There are only few months remaining. I hope you all have completed the syllabus. If not, also you can increase the marks now. You can cover the syllabus now. But for now, it's time to revise the things you have studied already. Now don't go for the new things. And if you do so, you can increase your marks every day, and you can crack this examination. It's not that difficult. If you study by taking the concepts, then you can easily enter into the medical college and be graduated as a doctor. I like to add one more thing, that the benefit of giving the foreign subcategory 1 over the foreign subcategory 2 is that you will be preferred while choosing the college during the medical counseling. So for that, study well and best of luck for the examination. Thank you.
Okay guys, now if you still have any doubt, Sharmila is here to help. You can put your doubts in the comment section, and for the foreign subcategory 2 students like me, you can take admission on the basis of your NEET marks. If you are getting around more than 200 marks this year, you can easily get a college, but you won't be preferred over subcategory 1 students while choosing your college, as Sharmila has already told us. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you guys. Like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.